Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with DB. In this video I'm trying to explain as to how does orange potassium dichromate turn green when you add to a primary or secondary alcohol or an aldehyde. So I'm going to explain it in terms of redox through the half equations. Now you know that the oxidizing agent that we are using is potassium dichromate in the presence of H plus ion which come from dilute sulfuric acid. Dichromate ions are orange in color, and when oxidation takes place they turn to green Cr3 plus ions. Now let's see what exactly happens in terms of half equations for primary alcohols oxidation. Now dichromate ions are orange in color, and here you can see that oxidation state of chromium here is +6. So when this oxidation takes place, then +6 chromium goes to a +3 state, so that means it has been reduced. And as a result of this, ethanol, which was going to be oxidized, that is oxidized. Now let's see in terms of half equations. So 2 chromiums here, so therefore we have put 2 here. Now there is 7 oxygens over here, so 7 water, and because now 14 hydrogens are extra on this side, so plus 14H plus. And now looking at the charge, so there is 2 minus here and 14 plus here, so therefore it was 12 plus on this side and it's 6 plus on this side, so therefore we'll add 6 electrons to balance the charge on both the sides. Now look at ethanol. What happens during this oxidation? So there are 2 carbons here, so 2 carbons here, 6 hydrogens here, however 4 here, and same number of oxygens. So therefore we'll balance this half equation by putting 2H plus here, and now to balance the charge we would put 2 electrons here. So you see ethanol has lost electrons, so therefore it has been oxidized. Now let's look at what happens when oxidation of aldehydes takes place. So aldehydes, again we have written the equation, just repeated from the last page. Now ethanol had 2 carbons, so 2 carbons in ethanoic acid, 4 hydrogens here, and you have 4 hydrogens here. However, this had 1 oxygen and this has got 2 oxygens, so in order to balance the oxygens we would put water on this side and then 2H plus on this side. And in order to balance the overall charge, if you are not comfortable writing the half equations, then please watch another video for the redox reaction that I have created already. So now you see dichromate ions are gaining 6 electrons and ethanol is losing 2 electrons, so we'll have to multiply this equation by 3, and when we do that then we'll come to the overall equation, which is dichromate ions plus 14H plus. So 14H plus, we'll have 6 hydrogen by multiplying it by 3, so therefore instead of 14 we'll write 8H plus here. 8H plus plus CH3 CHO, and there is 1 water, there are 3 waters here after multiplying by 3 and 7 water here, so therefore we would have 2 Cr3 plus plus 4 water plus CH3 COOH. I hope this tertiary alcohols and ketones do not oxidize further, so therefore the orange color will stay orange. So this is how you can recognize whether it's a tertiary alcohol or ketone or a primary, secondary or aldehyde. I hope this you were able to understand this concept, and thanks for watching, and if you like this then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.